Hey, what's going on, everyone? Is today, or is this the moment for Kaspa biggest breakout moment? Everyone can see. Let me zoom out this chart from this particular crypto exchange. It is making all-time highs yet again. This particular cryptocurrency has a lot of hype. A lot of people apparently believe in this particular project because they wouldn't be putting money on the line if they didn't suspect that this was promising. Does Kaspa have enough momentum to continue to make all-time highs? Let's talk about it. Now, I did a video in Kaspa. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. On the 13th of July, you guys can see exactly what happened. Pretty much the bullishness didn't stop and price continued to move higher. Okay, so that's 19.5% right there. So now let's clean up this chart. Let's get rid of this sell zone. And we don't have any sell zones. Not on this exchange. Kaspa has just been trending bullish for a long time. Have we made a top yet? Let's look at this on the 3-day time frame and see. We haven't. Not yet. The last completed 3-day price bar in Kaspa is still bullish. It's giving us that indication of strength right there. What about on the 4? Again, we're getting all of these signals stating that Kaspa is a buy. Then you got one again, a buy. And you have one here, a buy. It just shows you how strong this particular market is right now in Kaspa. 5-day time frame, 1 day and 14 hours. We're already seeing this indication of strength. As long as that holds, we already know what direction the market is trying to go through in Kaspa. Now, this is the trend that this particular cryptocurrency is currently on. Here's a trend, and then it's created another trend to show you how bullish and how strong this particular cryptocurrency is. Okay, so yeah, the idea as of right now is still for Kaspa to continue to trend higher, to continue to be bullish. Okay, now what I'm going to do though is we're going to go ahead and add some buy zones though. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Try to come through and add a couple of buy zones. Let's go put one up here too. Because these areas is going to be the location that we don't want to see the market in Kaspa fall below. So let me take this down a little bit lower. And then one thing I wanted to bring to your attention is look at the volume so far. So we need to see if the market has enough buyers to come in and buy whoever's trying to sell up here these all-time highs on this exchange. Now the good thing is, especially on today's trading, you guys can see that yes, the market currently is still finding buyers, but the only problem that I have with this idea, this price prediction, is that I don't know how high it's going to go. Now I know many of you like to use technical analysis. You guys can drop Fibonacci retracements or some other indicator to try to get ideas as to where market is trying to go, but I can't do that. It's literally a guess. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this. We're going to try to hold support around 17 cents in Kaspa there, and we're just going to take it up there to like 24 cents, and we just run that, and we'll just see what happens going into the new month. So let's go see what happened on the monthly time frame in Kaspa. So you guys can see from last month that we did see some selling hitting the market in Kaspa, but it was bought up. There was enough demand to buy the selling throughout the month of July. That is why the market closed up here at the high of the bar, which is why we're still looking for prices to continue to trend in that direction. Okay, so it's not hard, it's not complicated. This is probably one of the strongest cryptocurrencies in the market today, and price action off the price chart is reflecting that. So go ahead and give me your thoughts about Kaspa. Do you guys suspect that this particular cryptocurrency is going to continue to trend bullish, or do you think it's going to take a reprieve, begin to go down, bounce off these buy zones that we created, and then continue its resumption to higher prices or not? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.